Hello techies. As part of the interview question series, in this session we will learn what are trigger phrases and why are they important. As the first part, we will go for the theoretically, what are trigger phrases. Trigger phrases are a sample sentences that tells the bot when to invoke the particular topic. They train the underlying natural language understanding, that is NLU model. You should add 5 to 10 diverse phrases per topic to improve the intent recognition accuracy. Alright, now we'll see how we can add trigger phrases for the particular topic practically. Right? In our previous tutorial, we have navigated to a agent, that is banking email service assistant, and after that we went for the topics. Alright, there you can see I have created custom topics, system topics. Now to make you understand what are trigger phrases, I'm going to add a new topic. Let me click on add a topic, and there I'm going to select from blank. There you can see I'm having a topic with the name and title. Right? Now I'm going to create a topic in a such a way, product management. Just to make you understand, I'm going to create a topic with the name of product management. There you can see I'm having a trigger. There inside that, I'm going to give the phrases over here to invoke my particular topic. Right? This can be trained by underlying natural language understanding model. Right? There we have to give 5 to 10 phrases over here to make understand, such as I will give it as product or product management. For an example, if I'm talking about the quality, in that case, quality management, items management, and many more. Whatever these phrases should not be duplicated across multiple topics because it will create an ambiguity. Right? Now let me click on save. Now my topic has been saved successfully. Now to invoke my particular topic in my test my agent, I'm going to give that phrase over here. For an example, if I want to invoke my product management topic, I'm going to give the phrase as product, and then I'm going to click on enter. There you can see my topic, that is product management, has been initiated. Just to make you understand what I have done, I have added a new question over here after a particular trigger phrase. There you can see what is the product you want to buy. After a particular phrase that I have given, it has been triggered my topic, that is product management, and it has been asking the question, what is the product you want to buy? Alright, I hope you understand what are trigger phrases as part of this tutorial.